Hi folks, Bill Dwight here with another FamZoo.com quick tip. You know, sometimes it's handy to extract the transactions from one of your FamZoo accounts into a file. Maybe you want to bring them into a spreadsheet to do some special calculations or make some cool custom charts. Unfortunately, we don't have an official, nicely polished feature for exporting transactions just yet. However, we do have a super secret way to get the data out. It's a bit clunky, but it might just work for you. Let me show you how it works. First, sign into your family as a parent. Now go to the URL field in your browser and look for the second number in the address string. It should be a 5 if you're on your overview page. Now replace that number with the magic number 17. All right, I told you this was going to be a bit clunky. Now hit return and you'll be taken to our super secret transaction download page. Select the account you want. For example, let's grab this savings account for Big Sis. You can also select a start and an end date if you want to get a range of transactions, but we'll just leave them blank for now to get all the transactions. When the page refreshes, go down to the bottom and click on the download spreadsheet link in the lower right corner. This will download a CSV or comma separated values file to your computer. It holds your exported transaction data. To see an example of what we can do with our file, let's import it into a Google Docs spreadsheet and play around with the data a bit. So I'll go to my Google Drive and create a new spreadsheet. Then I'll go up to the File menu, and from there I can import our downloaded file. After the import, you'll see your transactions and you'll see columns for the date, the description, the memo, and the amount. Now we can play around with the data. Suppose we want to tally up all of the allowance deposits made into Big Sis's savings account and then compare that total with the total amount of parent paid interest deposits. Fortunately, the FamZoo generated descriptions follow a very regular pattern, as you'll see. So we can use the regexp match function in our spreadsheet formulas to separate allowance and interest deposits. In our allowance column, we'll use this regexp match formula to copy over the transaction amount only if the description contains the string allowance deposit. Otherwise, we'll plop in a value of 0. We'll do the same for the interest column, but here we'll change the pattern to match on just the descriptions containing the words interest deposit. Now let's copy our two formulas all the way down to the bottom for all the transaction rows. We can sum up the two columns to get our comparison. Now that's some pretty solid interest right there. Let's add a little dollar formatting to make things a little bit more readable. And there you have it. So that's just one simple example of what you might want to do with your transaction data after you've exported it from our super secret export page. Have fun and let us know what you come up with. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to contact us. Just look for the contact link at the top of the page when you're in FamZoo, or connect with us on Facebook or Twitter. See you later.